Okay, in this video we are going to discuss about the other two kinds of chemical reactions, which is the displacement reaction and the double displacement reaction. As the name suggests, the displacement means a replacement or a substitution. In these chemical reactions, we will be found in displacement reaction there will be a single substitution, whereas in the double displacement reaction we will find two substitutions. So let us discuss first the displacement or the simple displacement reactions. So in order to discuss this displacement reaction, let us see an experiment. Okay, we are taking a test tube. In the test tube, we are pouring some crystals of copper sulfate and we are dissolving it in water. Okay, so in this particular test tube, we have taken copper sulfate, which is blue in color, okay, and in this particular test tube what we do, we tie a particular nail with a thread and hang it within the test tube. Clear? Now in this particular reaction what we will find, this iron nail is actually silvery white in color, silvery grey in color, sorry. Okay, so as the reaction continues, we will find slowly the blue color of this copper sulfate to disappear, and moreover this silvery grey color will have a coating of brown color substances. Okay, why is this happening? This is because of a particular reaction, displacement reaction, which will be written as, say, iron. It is reacting with copper sulfate, and this particular iron displaces the copper from the copper sulfate and produces FeSO4, and the copper is displaced out of this particular solution. So here we can see a single iron is displacing the copper. Okay, so this kind of reaction where we will see a single replacement is called displacement reaction, or you can say simple displacement reaction, We can see more one example. Say we are taking zinc and we are taking copper sulfate. We are pouring zinc in copper sulfate, we will see the formation of zinc sulfate plus copper. Again here we can see zinc is displacing copper from the copper sulfate, producing ZnSO4 and copper. More one, let us see lead. When reacted with CuCl2, it produces lead chloride, PbCl2, with the liberation of copper. So in all these three kinds of reaction, we will observe that there is a single replacement occurring in this reaction. Hence it is termed as the simple displacement reaction. Now in the same manner we will also see the double displacement reaction. In the double displacement reactions, what we will observe, this simple displacement is occurring twice, or we can say two times a double replacement is occurring. Okay, suppose let us take an example like Na2SO4 plus BaCl2. We are taking the particular reaction Na2SO4 plus BaCl2. What we will observe, Na will displace Ba and Ba will displace Na. They either will displace each other, resulting in the formation of BaSO4 plus NaCl. Okay, here we are seeing that Na is displacing Ba and Ba is displacing Na. So they are displacing each other. So this kind of displacement reactions are called double displacement reactions. Clear? Now let us see more one example like BaCl2 reacting with H2SO4. What we will observe, that Ba will replace the hydrogen and they will replace each other. We will see the formation of BaSO4 plus HCl. Clear? Again let us see more one reaction, NaCl plus AgNO3. So Na will replace silver and silver will take the position of Na. So what will happen? NaNO3 plus AgCl. So this type of reactions where we are seeing a particular replacement is called displacement reaction. Where we are seeing a single type of replacement, this is called simple displacement reaction, and where we are seeing double replacement, we will call them as double displacement reactions. Now let us try to balance this particular equation. So here we see one atom of iron, one atom of iron, S1 1 4 4 1. This is balanced. This is balanced. Now zinc, copper, SO4. This is also balanced. Pb, Cl2, copper. This is also balanced. Clear? So many reactions we will be observing, they are already balanced. We need not to balance the reaction. They are already balanced. Over here we will see this particular reaction is not balanced. Na is 2 atoms, where Na is a single atom. So what we do, we write a 2 in front of Na. We write a 2 in front of Na. So 2 NaCl. So here it will be SO4, Ba is balanced. Now it is balanced. Now Ba, Cl2. So here we will give 2 and it is again balanced. Na, NO3, Ag, Cl. Okay, so these all reactions are balanced. So hope you have understood the displacement and the double displacement reactions. So displacement reaction is only caused when there is a replacement. Okay, so this replacement depends on a particular series of reactivity of metals, which is called activity series of metals. We will be discussing that in another video. Hope you go through these reactions at home.